Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to keep your captions visible above your B-roll clips in Descript's free plan. First, always add your captions as your final step. Finish all your B-roll editing first, then click the Captions button to generate them. This way, captions are created on top of everything. If you already have captions in B-roll, select your B-roll clip in the timeline. Look for the layer controls. Drag the B-roll clip downward in the layer stack. Your captions will move to the front. Another method is to adjust the caption position. In the Captions sidebar, click Customize. Look for Position and select Top or Custom. Drag the caption box higher on the screen where your B-roll doesn't cover. You can also add a background to your captions. In the Captions Customize menu, turn on Background. Choose a dark color with some transparency. This makes text readable even over busy B-roll footage. For a quick workaround, resize your B-roll. Select the B-roll clip, drag its corners inward to make it smaller. Position it in a corner. Your captions will show in the empty space below, and that's it. Add captions last, move B-roll down in layers, reposition captions higher, add a background box or resize your B-roll. If this kept your text visible, please like and subscribe. See you next time.